So guys, we will be filtering using grep, grep grep. We'll be using this command now. So this command is used when you want to search for particular keywords. For in this particular case, you will be using grep command as filter to search the keywords. Sometimes like this grep command is often used when the output is piped from one command to another. Now, what piping is, it's actually that taking the output of the one command and then sending it as an input to the another command. This we will cover in one later videos, but the basic idea of piping is this only that the output of the one command will be sent as an input to the another command. For this, we use this, not this, but yeah, this. This particular we use this. Now what we are going to do, like if this simply like we want to see the process, there are so much processes running, right? Let's remove this. Now I just only want to see psox. What is psox? Ps stand for processes. What is ps stand for processes, and then ox. Okay, aux, not ox, but yeah, aux, ox. Now, this is going to show us some of the listing that I told you, right? Now, what we have to do is we only just want to see what Apache service we are running. So I'll do simply like this, then I'll type grep and then Apache 2. That's it. See, only the Apache service that is running. The process that Apache is running, this is only shown. Why? Because this particular command has an output. That output was used to filter out which Apache service grep while which Apache 2 service is running on particularly for these processes. So this is how the output of this particular command was gathered as an input for this command. This is called piping, which this concept is using grep. Okay, so let's move on. I guess I told you about grep also. Filtering out. Okay, now let's clear all this. Now what are we going to do? We are going to create some files. First, this is about modifying files and directories. Now, modifying files and directories. What are we going to do? First, we are going to create files. Okay. First, we are going to create files. How we can create files? There are many ways, but the first thing that we can do is we can do cat, cat. What cat is? Well, cat is the short form for concatenation. Concatenation. Okay, meaning what concatenation means? Concatenate means it actually is meaning to combine pieces together. Okay, that's it. You have to just combine some pieces together. This is what cat is. It's like just combining some words to create a particular sentence. Okay, to create a bigger file. That's it. Now, for example, if we do concatenation with cat, like we say hacking skills. Okay. Now, cat command then followed by a file name which will display the content of that file. But to create a file, we follow the cat command, which then we type a symbol of greater than, and then we type the name of the file which we want to create. Now, let's say if I do this, hacking is the most valuable skill. That's it. We typed it. Okay. Now we have to press Control D. If see, now we just simply pressed Control D. If you press enter, then also sometimes it work, but for my case, it's when I'm pressing Control D, it is going to be like this. Now, what I told you that ls command, listing command, we can use to see where whether it's in my home directory or not. Okay, ls c. There is hacking skills. Hacking skills is a word file or a text file that is stored. Okay. Now, if I type cat and then simply do hacking skills, I can see this. But remember, if I'm not using any symbol in between, then I can view the content. And cat will be used as content viewing command. But when I'm putting this particular symbol in between, then it means that I'm creating a file. And when I press enter, then the details of that file I can store in here in the terminal, and then if I do cat without symbol anything, just the file name, then I can get the content of the file. Okay. Now to add or append. Okay, to add or append, like for example, if I do this and then I do hacking skills, then I say everyone should learn offensive security. Sorry for the spelling. Security. Then I press Control D, it gets saved. Then again I do cat. You see, got appended. It got appended. It got updated. It's not getting override or something. It's actually adding more data, right? Now, if I again do the same thing, hacking skills, then I enter hi. This is YouTube channel. Why so why so serious? So serious. Now I press Control D. Then again I do cat hacking skills. It won't work. I don't want this CC kit. I simply just skip cat hacking skills. See, this is getting appended. It's not getting overwritten. It's like we are adding more data to the file. Okay, that is how we do it. But if I want to overwrite it with the new information, what I can do is I can simply again do this thing. Hi, this is overwrite. Press D, then I'll look for cat. See, it's got overridden. If we use this particular symbol, in this particular symbol, either it will be overwritten if there is file created already, and if not, then it will create a file and then we can add it. But if we do two symbols, two greater than symbols, then what we can do is we can simply add some more information. So now we are going to create a file. For example, we created a file from hacking using cat. Now let's see. We are going to create a file using touch command.